Hello my YouTubers, and welcome back to another tutorial video. And this tutorial video I'm going to make is going to be quite short but still very easy. And for this it's just going to be of how to get the original Roblox materials instead of the 2022 materials. So I click the bar, click material manager, and like I want to make a railway, for example. I click pebble, and as you see, this pebble as it looks terribly bad for making a railway for me. And there is a trick to have the original ones. For this, make sure please, before we start, just click View tab and make sure you've got Explorer and Properties open, because these are going to be very important for making this tutorial. So now we're going to click the Material Service, no Material Manager. Just click Material Service in the Explorer. Click it as many times you need. Don't rename it, okay? And we scroll down and until you see Use 2022 materials. Make sure that the Use 2022 materials is unticked. Make sure that they're unticked. That I click the tick. As you see, it's a much better kind of pebble for me for a railway. And as you see, and it's now also got all the original materials that Roblox has. It's also got fabric, cobblestone. You know, this is my favorite kind of cobblestone material. And if you didn't know, did you know that these kind of materials for some people, these kind of materials are kind of popular for simulation games or realistic games. And also another one, like for the Use 2022 materials, this is only for like fighting games or realistic games. Well, for me, I don't make these kind of games anymore, and here I now make simulation games. Okay, I think that is all for today, and I'm sure this video does not need any comments below of any ideas of what else we can do. And that's all for today. If you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. And of course, please make sure to give a like in this video if you like it. So this is Pavdi13 leaving. Bye. See you in another video.